Well, congratulations, you're ready to launch your business. But wait, these are some critical things you need to check on your business list before you even start making that product or creating that product or service to meet a buyer. Let's jump right into it. Now, before you get overly excited about that product or service you're about to offer, the first thing you want to do on your checklist is that you want to create a buyer persona. What does this mean? A buyer persona is basically a profile of your target audience who you are going to sell that product or service to. Now, the reason why you have to create this is to understand what exactly you are presenting to the particular person. In this way, it helps you create a better product for that particular person or audience. It helps you create a very targeted product to whoever needs it. You don't want to create a product that will just be hanging in the market. You want to target specific people. So if it's a baby product, you target the mothers because they are going to be your buyer persona or your buyer profile, not the babies who are going to use the end product. So all these things have to come in place and in thought before you even launch that business or produce that product. The next thing you want to check on your list is what is your core offering. Now, oftentimes a lot of people confuse their core offering and their other services. Every business has a core offering that they offer to a specific user or a specific persona, which complements the other products or services that they offer. So if you are selling shoes, you can sell socks as a complementary product, but your core offering is going to be the shoes, not the socks. In other ways also, sometimes you can't really predict the market. So you can start off by having your core offering as a shoe product or offering shoes or selling shoes, and then having the socks as a complement. But along the way, markets change. So along the way, you'll be surprised that your socks business can become the main core offering of your business to change the whole thing around. But it still doesn't spoil business, it doesn't derail the business, it still keeps business on track. But you just have to be attentive to the market, buying that particular product and serve them accordingly. Now, once you have these two things checked, the next thing you want to check is to create a business name for that particular business. Now, if you've not watched my video on how to create a business name, there's a link up here or here, any of them. You see a link up here. Do also click on it to go and watch that video to learn how to create a very good business name for your business to help your business stand out as well. Now, after doing all that, the next thing you want to do is to create a domain name or get a domain name for that business name you've come up with. There are various hosting platforms online that you can check to get a domain name for your business, or check if that domain name is available as well. If it's not available, I made a video on how to create a domain name or how to come up with a good one. There's a link up here somewhere. Do also click on it to watch that one too as well. Now, the next thing you want to do is to secure all your social media handles, because we can't do away with social media now. So do what to go on all the various social media platforms and then check and see if the name is available for the business you want to do. So check on Facebook, Instagram, all of them, just check on them and then get the name, secure that one as well. Now, after doing all this, one key thing you would like to do, or I like to advise people to do, is to practice their elevator pitch. Basically, what this means is to tell everything about your business in approximately 30 seconds or 1 minute. So if you meet someone today and say, what do you do or what do you offer? Within 30 seconds, you should be able to describe everything that your business does and more. So basically having a clear idea of what your business does and how to present it to people is key to business growth as well. So do all to learn how to present your business or your product or service that you're offering. Now, the next thing you want to do after this is to check your competition. Now that you have your business name and all that sorted out, you want to check your competition. What are they doing? How are they offering their product? What is their brand looking like? What is their price point and all that? You have to check all this to give you a fair idea about how you're going to present yourself as well and the competition you're going to face in the market. The next thing you want to start working on is, after doing all this, you now have to jump into your brand identity designing, where you come up with your logos, the brand look and feel, your packaging, all those complementary things that come with the brand identity. I did a video on that, so if you want to watch and understand what goes into building a brand identity, there's a link up here somewhere. Click on it and then go and watch that video to understand what brand identity entails and how to build one for yourself. Now, after doing all these things and you've come this far, the next thing or the final thing you want to do is to register your business and get a bank account for the business, so that all your business transactions can be well organized and also your business looks more professional when it's registered and has a business account that complements the business that you're running. Well, I hope you enjoyed this content. I'm Edwin Dela. On this channel, I share content on business, branding, productivity, and growth mindset. If you did enjoy it, do hit the subscribe button and share this video with a friend also. Let's grow together. Cheers.